welcome back to sgimbanosam. My name is Lucia-Sgimba, aka Sam, and if you're new here, so I'm again like if you're returning, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe. So today we are shooting with Chef Lucia at her birthday lunch, and we got an invite. Levels. Yeah, guys, we just gonna go inside Manja and see what she prepared for us when we get to know her better. Something. Okay guys, we finally get to sit down with Chef Lucia after doing all the prayers at the center and Manja, it's time to see yeah, when did you decide to focus more on the cooking and becoming a chef?
Okay, so I did not decide. I still do all the other talents that I have. I just sometimes don't get an opportunity to do them. But it's always been music, acting, cooking, singing, everything together. But South African audiences, they like to decide for you. It's it's not like that.
Okay, so what did you prepare for us today for your birthday lunch?
Also today, I actually worked with Lele. She made biryani. Oh, it was so... And then I made lamb curry, rice, roti. Then we made 2 salads. We made seasonal vegetables. Yeah, and then we'll see about dessert.
Oh, okay. Okay, if someone was to make you choose between acting and being a chef, which one would you pick?
No, but that's like asking which child do you love more amongst the children that you have. Children must be loved equally, and I love my talents.
Wow, that's a beautiful answer.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Hey, Pizza Martin's back.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lucia. Happy birthday to you.
So yeah, guys, we just had my dessert. We had chocolate cake and ice cream and strawberries. Yeah, man, it was delicious. I loved it. I enjoyed the cake. It was rich. It was full of flavor. Yeah, but let me rate the food as the 5 stars. Yeah, starting with the food. Out of 5 stars, I'll give them 5 stars. The food was amazing. Starting from the starter, oh my god. that was scrumptious, guys. The stuffing was amazing. The main, like there was so much to choose from, like even the salads. It was, yeah, man. Yeah. But my favorite was beyond, as well as the lemon roti. Ooh, that was yeah. And then with the dessert, okay, I really enjoyed the dessert. It was also nice, and the bubbles were everywhere, guys. Champagne everywhere, wine everywhere. So the drinks you can know. So for that, they deserve 5 stars. So yeah, well done, Chef Lucia. And the vibe is amazing. People here are great, guys. Are great. Like, did I say more? Like everyone, Jay, is amazing. It's a nice chill vibe with warm people, loving people. So yeah, I really enjoyed my stay here. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's it. I'm giving Chef Lucia 10 stars because I had an amazing time. Yeah. Okay guys, we've come to the end of our episode and I'm here with Uma just to ask the last question. If you're a big thing, Mama, do you cater for people who only do women classes?
Okay, I'm available on Chef Lucia and Cooking with Lucia on Instagram and Chef Lucia on Twitter. I am very choosy when it comes to events that I do. So like for instance, don't phone me and say you want me to cook for 10 people unless you've got 100,000. Because the same energy that you use to cook for 50 people is the same energy you use to cook for 10 people. So rather ask for my services if you have more than 20 people at least and you have good budget, because I mean I'm a celebrity.
Listen, yeah, thank you so much, Matt, for allowing us to spend our very special day. Please stay the same. It's such an amazing song. And your food was great. I had a really good time from the Soweto to the one to the and yeah, you love me home and you're surrounded by good people. So
Thank you so much for spending the day with us.
So guys, please do follow Uma on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and also don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, sgimbanosam. See you on the next episode. Bye. Joburg for real this time.